Hey friends, let's see today's current affair. The first topic is a auction of rice started by the Food Corporation of India FCI. For what? To control retail prices. Also allowed by the state government's Union Territory Administration to participate in the e-auction if they require wheat and rice outside targeted public distribution system TPDS, right? Let's see another 34th International Biology Olympiad. India topped the medals tally at the 34th International Biology Olympiad. In short, you can say IBO 2023, which was held in UAE from July 3 to 11 July, right? Next है हमारा Global Multidimensional Poverty Index. In a short, you can say MPI. It is highlighted that a total of 415 million people moved out of poverty in India. तो 15 million people जो हैं वो poverty line से बाहर आ गए हैं. Within just 15 years from 2005 या 2006 you can say to 2019 to 2021. Next है हमारा European Sky Shield Initiative. ESSI. In a short, you can say it's a regional grouping of European countries. इसका aim क्या है? At developing a common air and missile defense system. Focus on acquiring air defense equipment. Let's see another topic. Samarth scheme, new implementing partners. Scheme for capacity building in textile sector under, right? तो स्कीम को कैपेसिटी बिल्डअप करने के लिए बनाया गया है इन टेक्सटाइल सेक्टर में. मिशन क्या है? द स्किल इंडिया मिशन एम्स टू इंसेंटिवाइज एंड सप्लीमेंट द एफर्ट्स ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री इन क्रिएटिंग जॉब्स इन द ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टेक्सटाइल एंड रिलेटेड सेक्टर्स. नेक्स्ट है हमारा फॉस्फीन एट डीपर लेवल इन वेनस. डिटेक्टेड बाय साइंटिस्ट हैव डिटेक्टेड फॉस्फीन्स at deeper level in Venus atmosphere. Atmosphere में इसे पाया गया है. किसके? Venus के. It's also known as hydrogen phosphide by using JCMT James Clerk Maxwell Telescope at Mauna Kea Observatory, Hawaii. Next and last topic is UNCHES या UNCHES Act. Telangana. The Telangana High Court recently made a significant ruling striking down the Telangana Eunuch Yanchus, what you can say, Act of 1919, originally known as the Andhra Pradesh Eunuchs Act. Thank you. Keep watching my videos.